Chester State Park. Those are these pine trees? They're tall. It's very pretty through here. Nice and green. I guess we should take down our Myrtle Beach State Park. Oh look, is that like a...
Private residence.
Oh wow.
Campground. Oh, this is where we stop and talk.
Ranger Station. We're gonna roll through. We didn't book yet, so we're gonna roll through and see what's available and then go back and talk. Right. House.
Oh Lord, they're building new sheds, cabins, or something.
I don't know. Huh.
So they're not letting anybody take these spots.
No. Oh, there's a little seats and stuff.
Can we do 13? Lord,
Yeah.
13 there?
Yeah. Looks like it.
The 13A.
That'd be nice. 13A. That's real shaded. 14. And that grass area. All right, y'all, we're at Chester State Park. This is campsite 1. It's right when you come in. Clearly, there's Jackson Lee. Hello. But here it is. So it's nice, I guess. Level, it seems like.
Yeah, a lot of gravel and stuff.
As tent campers, we need gravel or sand or something. No concrete. And then it looks like we can have a little grass area right here. And there's the rest of the campground.
There's a lot of space between one and two.
Yeah,
It's very spacey.
it's nice. So anywho, here we are. There's the truck. There's Jackson.
Welcome to Chester State Park. Man, it's nice and quiet here. We've been enjoying the day. Jen's over there drinking her Vizzies.
Yeah.
I've been on work calls, doing the good thing, doing the work thing, doing the money thing. Maybe. But I'm here at the table underneath the canopy. And it looks bright in the background because I guess I'm in the shade, but let's see what we can do here.
It's shady.
Boop. Oh, there we go. I'm still good looking. Okay, that works. But anyway.
These tall pines, man, are super pretty, and it makes it really shady in here.
It is really nice. Tall pines. Big tall pines. Like old South Georgia tall pines. It's very nice in here. Very different from the hardwoods over there by where we're from. Thank you, Chester.
It's quiet.
Big lake down the hill. I don't know if you can see it there, but we'll get some shots in a bit. Cool. See ya. So here we are at Lakeview Hall. This is a really pretty facility they've built here on the lake at Chester State Park. Kind of go up there, but you see how nice area to come in and have events, weddings, and then it goes over here to the big public area. Great for picnicking and going down by the lake. We're gonna go over there in just a minute, but this is the other part of the Chester State Park, not the campground area.
That is nice. All the tables inside. Y'all, there are chickens right here. Yes, chickens. Chickens. Bop, bop, bop. Where did chickens come from in the state park?
Here we are down in the main public area, and there's this really big open area for like picnicking out here in the middle, playing games. Lots of places just to go off and have a great picnic with the family. Plenty of parking.
All right, y'all. So this is the disc golf course here at the park. They have, I think it said they had a 9-hole and then an 18-hole. So I guess they have 2 different courses.
Oh yeah. Yes.
But pretty cool, huh? Let me get out. Oh, that's the 18th hole coming in right there.
Yeah.
So I guess that would be the first hole right there. Yeah. Choose your course. Pretty cool. Hey everybody. So we're down here by the lake. The lake is behind me. And we're at this little sitting area that's down here. I think we've talked about it, but I don't know if we've showed it off. So we're going to show it off and let y'all see it. It's really cute. It's got a fire pit and swings and a nice grill. So it's pretty cool. But anywho, yeah, look how pretty the lake is. So pretty. Oh, yeah. Piers right there.
They have lower fishing poles, and you can buy your arms to fish with here. You can rent boats, paddle boats, john boats, kayaks, paddle boards, and you can eat ice cream, which, you know, all about.
Okay, so take a look, y'all. So it's got a nice walkway coming down with lights. It's all lit up at nighttime. There's a campground up there. They're building, it looks to be a cabin right there, so that'll be cool. But y'all, check this place out. Nice fire pit with, what are these chairs called?
Adirondack.
Chairs, swing sets, table. Yeah, this is a nice grill, y'all.
Definitely the nicest
To be outside.
park grill I've ever seen.
Look at that thing. Look how big it is.
And then to lift your grates up and put your charcoal and stuff in.
Hello. Very nice.
It's vented on both sides, so if the air flows through, really well done.
Yeah, and it's clean. I know it looks rusted right there, but it is outside.
No, I think it's in great shape. All you gotta do is a little light brush and knock that thing right off.
It's got, see little benches down there by the water. It's so pretty out here.
Nature trail?
Oh, yep, there's a little nature trail. And I think it goes over this way to like the boathouse, which is over there. There's the boathouse right there.
Yeah, it as well.
I think it's like 2 miles or whatever.
Yeah,
But yeah.
to the bridge and then over to the spillway. The Civilian Conservation Corps built
Over there. Swing sets up there. Yeah, it's super nice. Super nice. Well done, Chester Park. Well done.
Check it out, everybody. We're having my Pollos Locos chicken fajitas tonight. And check it out. They are sizzling. Oh, yeah.
If only we had smell-o-vision.
So check it out, everybody. It is a pink supermoon
I think that's what they're calling them.
It's really pretty. And it's pink. It really is. Kind of orangey pink.
It's like hazy
coral.
looking.
Boy, it is big over the lake, and it's really pretty out here.
This video doesn't know justice how pretty it is. I've never heard of fishing pot, but we're gonna do a little fishing out here tomorrow.
Heck yeah, y'all. Check this out. How pretty it is. And then it's a deck. And a lighted walkway back up to the campground.
With the fire pit, it is super nice, y'all.
Hey guys, I'm here at the bathhouse. So far, it's been really clean. I don't think there's anybody using the showers and stuff. You know, all these are RVs here this weekend. So every time I've been in, everything looks very clean and pristine, like it hasn't been even used. So it's a great thing. But anyway, let's check it out. You got 2 showers. Really nice. Stool. Everything looks clean, smells nice and clean in here. 2 good showers, good size, especially compared to the size of the showers at Purple Beach State Park, which were nice, but just small. And then 2 stalls and a sink. So it smells nice in here. It doesn't look like it's been used very much. Really clean, very nice. Nice bathhouse. There's the bathhouse, bottom of the loop. Around to the lake. Not very big, but they have everything very nicely situated. And there we are up there at the top of the hill. Got turkey and pimento cheese sandwiches for lunch. Jen's rocking a pimento cheese and ham. Oh yeah. Hey everybody, I just want to do a quick mention about the South Carolina State Parks guide here. They have what they call the Ultimate Outsider, which is someone who visits all of the South Carolina State Parks in a year and gets this book stamped at all the parks. And since we're here in Chester, we got it stamped here at the Chester State Park. 1 second, I'm going to show you. Let's see where it is. Hunting Island. Let's go scroll up. There we go. There's Chester. So Chester State Park, where we're at, and then we got the stamp here. You can see that every state park that you can go to has a stamp that you can get. And if you get all of the stamp, of course, you become the ultimate the ultimate outsider. And I think you get a free park shirt. But they're really cool. So we're here we go. Well, that's just the park store stuff. It's a great resource guide that tells you all the pertinent information that you need about the South Carolina State Park system. So whether you can camp there or not, whether they have availability for picnic tables and pavilions, and whether they allow boating and fishing and this and that, and all this stuff. So I just wanted to kind of mention it because it's something really cool, and because we're South Carolinians, this is something that's important to us. So be on the lookout for more state park adventures where we can get these stamps.
Hello, y'all. I was going to say good morning, but it's afternoon now. Lee's over there putting in the hard work while camping.
Somebody's got to do it, I guess.
Working for yourself and at home, this is a benefit, right?
Yeah. Everybody, there's so many times I could think of many other places I would rather be on a Tuesday than at work in a crappy office. So at work in a sweet,
right? Look at it.
State park works for me.
We got the lake back there in the background. It's a beautiful day.
Closing deals, banking money.
Look, he's got all of his stuff. He's got his iPad. That's our Lime Speak. We call it Lime Speak. His iPhone. He's got his hard drive, his Mac. Then he's got his drone hookup thing. So the drone will be flying at some point.
Soon. Soon.
So yeah, we're just hanging out on the picnic table, chilling while he does some work.
What? Hold up.
Y'all check out the view. Isn't it so pretty?